Hello guys, you're welcome to this video, and in this video tutorial I'll be giving you an overview of affiliate marketing and really how to earn money through affiliate marketing. All right guys, my name is Ikem from C7onlinemarketingmasters.com. I'm a product reviewer and also an affiliate marketer. So I'll be guiding you in this video and I'll be telling you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can use affiliate marketing to start earning, getting side incomes. All right. So why vast majority of the population feel that making money through affiliate marketing it's a sort of scam and it doesn't work. Some other people like myself, we register regular commissions and get income, side passive income from affiliate marketing. So I'm right here to give you that direction about affiliate marketing and how you can start earning money from affiliate marketing. All right, so if you're quite excited about this, I want you to hit on the subscribe button, all right, and tap on the notification bell, all right, right before your screen so you get updated and you walk with me through this journey of affiliate marketing. So now let's start, guys. Firstly, what is affiliate marketing, right? Now, instead of I won't really be using a definitive term for affiliate marketing. Why? Because I would rather want to prefer a sort of narrative, a kind of story like term to tell you everything what you need to know about affiliate marketing, so it could better show the picture on your head, like inside of you, and drive it down through your nerves about everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. All right, so let's take for instance, I've got a book. Let me just pick a book I have over here, right? This is a book, and this book I kind of want to sell this book. Okay, I want to market this book. I want to give this book out. Like I've tagged a price to this book, and I really want to sell it. So now what do really need to do? Now, example, we've got places right now with this current surge of the lockdown of the or the COVID stuff. You can see that people can no longer go about their usual buying and selling at the market and stuff like that. So, and now most people have actually gone decided to take their business a step further, right? Now you can I can't really send this, and another reason is like sending this book to wherever it might be across the world could cost some quite look could cost money and stuff like that, and maybe both you and myself, you may not have that money to start importing books, okay, from wherever it might be. So but now, and but I really want to sell this book and there is a price tag for this book. Now what I really need to do, right, is I now devise a means of maybe converting this my book to a PDF format and electronic format. All right, guys. So now, if I convert this to an electronic format or a PDF format, just like you go to the market to get your stuff, to get the grocery, you go to the groceries to get whatever you need for yourself, right? So the first thing that you should um really see when you go to the grocery to get stuff for yourself is number one, you have what we call maybe the seller, right? The seller. So right now with this book, I am the seller. All right. So this is what I'll be showing you. I am the seller, and really I want to sell this book to somebody. So there must be a buyer, right? Right. So the buyer is someone the person that will come to get this product from me. Okay. Okay. So in affiliate marketing, you call the buyer. You can call okay, you have the buyer, you have the seller. All right. So and the third person where you get this product, like when you go to the grocery or when you go to the marketplace, right? You like the name implies, a marketplace or grocery, a marketplace. So also in affiliate marketing there is a marketplace, otherwise you can call affiliate network. So we've got an affiliate network, you've got an affiliate, and you've got an affiliate marketer. right? And you've got a buyer. All right, guys. So there are four terms that I've actually specified here, and these four terms are very vital for you to really progress in this niche of affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'll pick each of them one after the other. I can start with the affiliate marketer. I can, or we can also call this person the vendor. All right, guys. Now a vendor, it's someone that kind of owns, the person that owns this book, like I have rightly told you right now. So I am the affiliate marketer right here, and I really want to sell this book. And a marketplace, marketplace, or affiliate network, it's a sort of store where I need now to put this book, but now it's not really going to be in the hard copy, it's not going to be in a physical product. Now I've converted this book into a digital product, guys. So the book now can now be downloaded from wherever it is. I can give it to you wherever you are in the world, okay, and you get the product, okay. So that is that we've got an affiliate marketplace or affiliate network. Now, for the affiliate network, I'll be talking about you in a short while right now about the affiliate networks. You've got several affiliate networks, several affiliate marketplace. Now, this network, it's where you place your digital product, where you place anything that you want to sell, anything it is that you want, you feel it's of value, and you place a value, a price tag to it, and where people come to get this product from you. That place is called an affiliate network. Now we've got various affiliate network of which I'll be talking to you. I'll be talking to you about it in my next video. We've got the ClickBank, we've got the Warrior Plus, we've got also, we've got Digistore24, Pay Kickstart. All these are various affiliate network places or marketplaces where you can place your product and really start seeing people and get your product, and also you get commissions from whatever it is you make sales from those your online products, right? The next thing we'll talk about is the um we call them the affiliate, right? We call them that. This is where this is where you are consigned as per se making money through affiliate marketing, right? So this affiliate, right, we call you, they are also called the intermediaries, all right? They stand in between the seller and the buyer, right? So me as an affiliate marketer, okay, I can also, as an affiliate marketer, I really can also be a product owner or a vendor or a seller, all right? So, and also be an affiliate marketer, and also be someone that stands in the gap between the seller and the buyer. All right, so what you do as an affiliate, those that are called the affiliate, is they apply to the seller, they get rights from the seller, and the seller gives them some amount of information that they need about that a certain product, and now they make reviews and they try to market these digital products the to the buyers. All right, guys. So these are the pretty much are the steps that one takes in the niche of affiliate marketing. Right. I go through the major components of affiliate marketing again. Number one, I said they will have the affiliate seller or the vendor, or is also a product owner, because for example, I use the book as an example. I'm the owner of this book, as a product owner, right? So secondly, we've got an affiliate network, right? This affiliate network or marketplace is where I can place this book I have when I change it to an electronic gadget, an electronic format. All right, guys. So I also told you about the affiliate, and this affiliate does what is an intermediary between the buyer and the seller. Now this affiliate applies for an affiliate link to the product owner or the vendor, and gets this from the product seller. He gets a link, and this link is what he needs to now give out to the buyers. So when the buyers try, these buyers, one thing you should know about the buyers is they are just interested in something. This is what they want and they can all go out for it. So whether they go through your link or not, maybe they will still end up still getting that product. So but it's more like an added advantage for you if a buyer, if you can convince a buyer to getting this product via your link. So there are various ways that you can do that, and in the next video I'll be showing you the various ways that you can really get traffic and get buyers to get things through your link. So I've got my proofs and I'll be showing you that in my next video. This is more like an overview of affiliate marketing, and have I earned from this affiliate marketing? Yes, a very big yes. I've earned a lot from affiliate marketing, and I am still into affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is the future, guys. So if you're interested and you will follow me, because in my next video I'll be showing you number one, the different affiliate networks and how you can go about them. All right, guys. So it was nice having this overview of affiliate marketing and the various networks that you're going to be using with affiliate marketing. I've told you, let me iterate through them again. You can go to warriorplus.com and register warriorplus.com. It's an affiliate marketplace. You can go to clickbank.com and register with Clickbank. You can go to digistore24.com and register with digistore 24. And yeah, we also have pay kickstart. All right, so there are various affiliate network that I'll be showing across your path, all right, in this tutorial, and I'll be showing you some beautiful hacks. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right, and click on the notification bell, and I'll keep you updated in this. All right, stay safe, guys, and hope to see you in my next video.